Hi everyone, let's solve the today's LeetCode challenge, which is reduction operation to make the array elements equal. So here in this problem, we are given an integer array nums, and our goal is to make all the elements of nums array equal by performing these operations repeatedly. In the first step, what we have to do is we have to find the largest value. Let's say it is at the index I. After that, we have to find the next largest element in that array, which is strictly smaller than the largest element. Third step, replace the largest element with the next largest element. And we can perform this set of operation any number of times. What we have to return is the total number of operations required to make all the elements in the nums equal. This is considered as for one operation. So let's try with an example. Let's say we have 5, 1 and 3. Firstly, we will find the largest element in the array. This is the largest element, and we also need to find the next largest element. The next largest element is 3. So what we will do is we will replace the value of 5 with 3. So after one operation, the state would be like this: 3, 1, 3. So now the largest element is 3 and the next largest element is 1. So what we will do is we will replace 3 with 1. In one operation, we are only going to replace the item at the ith index, not all the elements. So after one more operation, this 3 will also be replaced by 1. 1, 1, 1. So we took 3 operation, which would be our answer. Let's try to run it over a slightly bigger case. Let's try to check on a slightly bigger test case. Let's say we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. In this case, the largest element is 3. So in one operation, we are going, largest element is 3, next largest element is 2. In the first operation, we are going to replace 3 with 2. So our array will look like this. So in the further iteration, what is the largest element? This is 2. The next largest element is 1. So we are going to replace the first occurrence of the largest element with 1. So it would be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. In the next case, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. In the next case, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So for 2, it took 3 steps. Replace this 2 with 1, this 2 with 1, and this 2 with 1. 1, 2, 3. These 3 steps are taken to replace 2. This is one step. So now we have all the elements in the nums equal. So let's try to analyze it further. Here in this case, our input is sorted: 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. How many operation we require to convert this 3 to the next largest element, which is the window size for this. So 3, or maybe the number of times 3 is occurring in it. So 3 is occurring only one time, so we required one operation to convert 3. So now now at next step, 3 is already converted to 2. So in that case, we will see like how many operations are required to convert 2 to 1. That would be the length of the subarray where it is having 2 in it. So it would be this length, and this is 3 in size. So overall, how many operation we require from the starting? From the starting, if we are doing the iteration, whenever there is a change in number, from that to the last element, we will just capture how many elements are there, and so on. And so for the next iteration from 2 to 3, now we will also check from here to here how many elements are there. So in short, the sum of these bracket or these lines, which is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. Okay, let's try again with another example. 4 1 2 3. In this case, first of all, to achieve this, we need all the same number of elements together, or maybe we can sort the array. So firstly, we will sort the array 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, we are just going to iterate from the starting. So from 1 to 2, there is a change in element. So it means all these elements are going to be replaced by one, in any further iteration. So from 2 to 3 there is also change. So it means in one iteration these all these elements are going to be replaced. Then 3 to 4 is also a change. So it means this iteration is also going to be uh, done at any iteration. So this is going to take 3 steps or 3 operation. This is going to take 2 operation. This is going to take 1. We can also have a look by doing the practical 1, 2, 3. And 4. After one operation, it would be 1, 2, 3, 3. And then after two more operations, it would be 1, 2, 2, 2. And then after three more iteration, it would be 1, 1, 1, 1. 3 plus 2 equal to 5 plus 1, 6. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 6. So the code is going to be very simple. Firstly, we will just sort the array. After that, what we will do is we will check for any element change, or maybe any new element. We will just compute our answer. If let's say nums of I is not equal to nums of I plus 1, it means we are at this stage. Maybe you can see at this stage. So in this case, our I is at this index. So we'll just have to add these length to our answer. So answer plus equal to n minus I, maybe I plus 1, which is n minus I minus 1. Let's try to quickly code this problem. First of all, we will just sort this input array. I'm also storing the length of the input array. Num stored length. Now I will just make an iteration from first element to the second last element, and I will compare the value of current element with the next element. Nums I, if nums I is not equal to nums I plus 1, in that case we are just changing our current character. So in that case we have to just store something in our answer, which would be answer plus equal to nums minus I plus 1. Let's try to understand with an example. Here if we are at 1, we just have to add these 2, 2 and 3 in our answer. Initialize the variable to store my answer and just returning it. Let's try to submit this code. All the test cases are passed and it is submitted successfully. Okay, thank you guys.